So how do I add portfolio project on Wix website builder? So just right off the bat, if you don't have this app, just click on here, My Business, and here I have Wix portfolio. And if you don't have it, you go to Find Apps, go to App Market. Here I like to just write collection, and then here you're gonna see this app that I've just added to my website, Wix portfolio. Now I'm gonna go back here to my dashboard, and then right over here we have portfolio, and from here you can click on projects and you can add a new project. You can give a name to a project, test 123. I know it's very unique. And now you add a description to your title. You can use AI, and then basic info for your project, and then media, and that's done. And you can click on manage projects, and then here we have projects, and this is my first project, and I have another one here. So I hope you found this short Wix tutorial helpful. If you have more suggestions about Wix, let me know in the comment section, and subscribe for more and like this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.